top 4 altcoins that are breaking out right now. But before I get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. Let's get straight into the video. So number 1, of course, is everyone's favorite Ethereum, all right? If you don't know what Ethereum is, it's a community-run technology powering the cryptocurrency of ETH. All right, thousands of decentralized applications run here. It's where the main of NFTs come from. All the decentralized apps that are powered from here are fantastic, all right? Ethereum.org is where we're looking at right now. It's the portal into the world of Ethereum, and the tech is a new and ever-evolving. It helps to have a guide, and here's what they recommend you dive into. So with Ethereum, just pick a wallet, get in. I do recommend MetaMask, okay? It's up here, you can see it on my extension. I do say you to get some ETH, because if you don't have ETH, what are you playing at? The current price is at 1,882. You probably won't see it as low as this for a long time, all right? So get yourself some ETH right now. You want to use the dApps. There's incredible dApps to start building yourself a portfolio in here. Quickly, what is Ethereum? It's a technology that's home to digital money, global payments, and applications. The community has built a booming digital economy, bold new ways for creators to earn online, and so much more. It's open to everyone, wherever in the world you are, and all you need is the internet. So let's move on to number 2. Number 2 is Near, guys, all right? The Near protocol is taking over. Now, when you come onto the website of Near, all right, you're going to choose your adventure, whether you want to build, grow, or make. Now, you can make amazing things happen here. It's great technology. It's nothing without usability. So Near is a platform that helps users overcome all the barriers that usually holds them back, all right? It's limited creation, limited scaling, and limitless usability. Now, the news on Near is always going high because the low cost, the high speed, the effortless scale is under 0.01 USD. That's 1 cent, guys. 1 cent transaction cost, all right? 24 million plus accounts, 527,000 daily transactions, over 1.1 second time to finality, all right? Super, super quick. Climate neutral, now and forever. That's what they're trying to do. Certified carbon neutral and low energy footprint. Guys, get yourself involved with Near, all right? The token is fantastic. If you look at their ecosystem, they've got project DAOs, the community venture support, everything you could think of inside of here, the funding, the regional hubs, the Cosmos, the Ethereum, the tech base, all right? So have a look at that. So let's move on to number 3. Number 3 is Conflux, all right? Now, guys, the mainnet is now live, okay? You can see here, Conflux Hydra hard fork is now live. This is a blockchain without barriers, all right? It enables creators, communities, and marketers to connect across borders and protocols. So why Conflux? It's got high throughput, secure, it's interoperable, it's scalable, it's built-in staking, low fees. All right, the CFX token that's involved in this ecosystem is built around Conflux's economy. All right, a unit of value of the platform that enables token holders to pay transaction fees, earn rewards through staking, rent, storage, participate in network governance, and also incentivizes and rewards miners. Guys, get involved. You can even join their Discord, look at their docs, apply for a grant, run a node, or it's simple, become an ambassador. Just connect your wallet and get involved. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4, of course, is ICP tokens, right? Everybody's talking about right now. If you want to learn about these and how to stake and get involved, simple. Get on this website, internetcomputer.org. All right, this is where you can get and store tokens. One of the best ways to engage with the ecosystem to explore the world of tokens. It actually allows investors and developers to participate in networks by allowing computation, staking, voting, governance, and ownership. So centralized wallets, if you want to get involved, here you are. Okay, what can you actually do with this token? It's a utility token that allows developers to pay for computation, and it allows users to participate in a governance the internet computer blockchain network. Guys, you can convert IPC into cycles to pay for computation, anything you want. You can earn staking rewards, and you can get cheap IPC transfers. It's incredible. Guys, the APY on the staking is fantastic. If you want to get involved with IPC tokens, hit the links down below and get involved right now. That is number 4. There you go, guys. Hit the links down below to get involved with these projects. All right, do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.